Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Oanda to TradingView in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your TradingView account with the help of your email address. Now, by default, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. This is basically the home page of TradingView. So here you just have to do nothing but to just hover over to this search bar here on the top. Then here in the search bar, you just have to search for any of the symbols of the cryptocurrencies, the chart of which you want to launch. For example, let's say I want to launch the chart of Bitcoin. So I'm going to be clicking on the launch chart right next to Bitcoin. Now, once you are here inside your Bitcoin chart or the cryptocurrency chart, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now use the search bar on the top right hand corner and simply look for the option of Oanda. You can also first click on the option of show all brokers. Then you can look for Oanda icon here in this list. When you are able to find it, simply click on it. Then when you see this type of pop-up in front of you, click on the option of connect. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here on the official website of Oanda. So here you need to provide your login credentials like your email address and your password, and you need to simply sign in here in your Oanda account. Afterwards, it may ask you for the authentication or authorization. So you just have to approve that, and this way you will be able to connect Oanda to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.